Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about the Singapore Airlines Baggage Allowance. So let's get started. So when it comes to the cabin baggage allowance, it actually depends on the cabin class. So basically there is the economy and the premium economy. And when it comes to the economy and the premium economy, one cabin baggage allowed with maximum dimension of 115 centimeters / liner and weights up to 7 kilograms. And when it comes to the business and the first and the suite class, up to 2 cabin baggage allowed, each with maximum dimensions of 115 centimeters liner and weights up to 7 kilograms. And in addition to standard baggage, passengers are permitted one of the following items: ladies' handbag, camera bag, a document bag, a laptop, an umbrella, or overcoat. And when it comes to the size limits for the personal items, it is basically 80 centimeters in liner dimensions. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.